What is the difference between Catholic and Orthodox? This is a great question to ask someone like me who's not Catholic or Orthodox. No, but let's take a stab at it. The main differences stem from the event called the Great Schism of 1054, and actually preceding these events were all the different historical moments that led to the disruption of the global church at that time. The Great Schism, or the Great Separation between East and West, took place because of a few reasons, primarily because of some theological disputes that we'll talk about, and also disputes between power. Who has the power, the Pope in Rome or the Patriarch in Constantinople? The major difference here is that the Pope is seen as the global head of every Catholic Christian around the world, whereas the Eastern Orthodox patriarchs are not seen as the global heads of every Orthodox Christian, but rather specific to their diocese and their bishops and their priests. So the first theological dispute comes from papal authority. Catholics believe that the Pope is the successor of St. Peter, and he sits on his throne uninterrupted since the first century, whereas the Orthodox Church affirms that the Pope is a leader of the church, but he is the first among equals, and he doesn't have supremacy over all Christians. Next, and maybe most importantly on this list, is the Filioque clause in the Nicene Creed. The word Filioque in Latin means "and the Son." Towards the bottom of the Nicene Creed, where the Holy Spirit is spoken about, the Catholic Church says that the Holy Spirit proceeds from the Father and the Son, but historically, the original text does not include this Filioque and the Son. So the Orthodox Church does not include that the Holy Spirit proceeds from the Father and the Son. The Holy Spirit proceeds from the Father. There are differing views about the Immaculate Conception, but both traditions very highly revere Mary. Both churches very highly revere the saints through venerating icons and statues. You'll see more icon veneration in Orthodox churches, but both churches very highly value remembering the saints, depicting them, and being encouraged by them in today's faith walk. That is a very brief overview of the differences between Catholic and Orthodox. I missed quite a bit of things. I didn't include it, but we'll talk about it later.